guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to use OGAPK. It's actually pretty easy. So this is what the dashboard is going to look like, guys. So we're going to go ahead and show you all how to create an APK. It's pretty simple. So you're going to go ahead and click Create APK. And we're going to have two selections, the Video APK and Website APK. I'm going to show you guys how to do both of them. And it's going to be really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and start off, guys, with the Video APK. So let's go ahead and click Go on it. And then it's going to show us this. You're just going to want to type in the APK name. So I'm going to use model refer to as an example, and then you're going to go ahead and select a picture that is going to be like the icon of the app, guys. So I'm going to use this MW2 icon, and we got to go ahead and resize it because we don't want it to look ugly on someone's phone. So we're going to go ahead and make it fit the the full little app box right there, so it looks perfect on someone's phone. Let's go ahead and turn it up a notch here, and we're almost at the spot, guys, almost hitting the sweet spot. And yeah, that looks exactly how we want it, guys. Perfect, just like that. We have the full image in the icon, and now it looks legit and ready to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and put in our locker link, guys. So go ahead and make your locker on OGAds and put in your locker link, and this is where it's gonna redirect the APK to. So make sure you type it in correctly, though. You don't want it to have any errors. So now you got to go ahead and select a video from YouTube or wherever, guys, and that's where you're going to put into the dashboard on OGAPK, and it's going to actually have that video play when you open up the APK. So I'm going to use, since I'm doing MW2, I'm going to go ahead and do MW2 trailer. So let's go ahead and look for that, and you can use any video, guys. It doesn't matter which one. So I'm going to go ahead and use this trailer right here from 10 years ago. And essentially what we're looking for is to make it look like it's a real app. So, you want to find something that makes it look like it's actually starting up to trick, like to make it look like it's actually starting up and it's a real app, guys. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste that. Keep in mind the video can't be longer than 10 minutes. So do you want to show up a pop-up before the locker as well, guys? I recommend you turn this on. And basically what this will do is like notify them that before they can play the app or like use the app, they have to complete the verification. So this gives them a little bit of a heads up instead of just redirecting them to the locker without them knowing what's going on. So I'd recommend turning this on. You can go ahead and put in like the pop-up text and everything like that. And then you can also create a profile so you don't waste your traffic, and you'll be able to use it on iOS as well. So go ahead and type in the description of the iOS profile. So I'm going to write MW2 mobile installer, and then you type in the developer. You can put whatever you want for that. I'm going to use OGAPK, and then we're going to go ahead and write the install confirmation text. This is the text that appears right before they install the profile, so you can go ahead and type that. Then you can actually go ahead and do these cool things right here and make it so the icon cannot be removable on the home page. They'll actually have to go into their settings and remove the profile. And you can also make it where they cannot remove the profile at all. But now we're going to go ahead and create the APK, guys. As you can see, it took 1 credit away from us. And it says this will take 1 to 3 minutes. So it's so efficient. I mean, like, look at that. It literally took like a minute to fill in. And now we don't even have to do anything. It's doing the APK for us. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. And here we have the APK, guys. It just loaded on our system. And it downloads it as a zip file. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and check it out. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on my emulator here that I have what the, these are the instructions for the iOS profile, by the way. If you want to add that, you're going to have to follow those instructions. They're pretty easy to follow, though. And it shouldn't take too long to do that. So we're going to go ahead and actually open this up, guys, in my Android emulator and show you how the app would actually look to a real person. And you're going to see that it actually looks pretty awesome. We're going to go ahead and check it out right now. So let's go ahead and wait for this to load. Here we are. As you guys can see in the Android emulator, we just opened up the MW2 app. Sorry about my face cam being in the way, but as you can see, the trailer is starting up and we are playing the game, guys. And my face cam is in the way, but yeah, as you can see, that's what the app would look like if you were running it on your phone. Pretty legit looking. And then we're going to have the pop-up here that says, you have to complete the human verification. But, you can kind of see if you just turn your head a little bit. It should pop up here, guys. And there it is right there, verification required. Complete 2 offers to verify you're a human. And you just click that, and then it will redirect you to your locker. So I'm going to click OK, and watch it redirect me exactly to OGAPK because that's the site that I put in. and it will redirect you to your locker, guys. So that's pretty neat, and it works very well. As you can see, OGAPK just loaded. So yeah, that is the video APK, and now I'm going to show you guys how to do the other APK, which is the website APK, which is also a pretty cool feature. So we're going to go ahead and do the website APK now. We're going to go ahead and click go, and it's kind of like the same exact setup, you know, pretty much the same. So we're going to go ahead and type in what we want the name of the app to be. So we're going to do Nova Store. Then choose the icon of the app that you want it. So I'm going to use this one right here. It looks pretty cool. Then we got to resize the image, guys, just like we did last time. You want to make sure it fits right in the photo, so I'm right in the box, so it looks perfect on their phone. It doesn't have any, it doesn't look all like blocky or whatever. Perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and put in the website link. So this is like your landing page. All you got to do is just enter that in. And then once you've done that, we're going to go to extras. And you can go ahead and actually select if you want a status bar on your app, guys. I'm going to go ahead and click yes for that. Then go to profile and create a profile with APK. And I suggest you guys do this as well. That way you don't only get only Android traffic. But for the sake of the video tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and just leave it as Android. We're going to go ahead and create the APK. I'm going to go ahead and you know, fast forward this, guys. And here we are, and boom, as you guys can see, the app has downloaded the files for the app. We're going to go ahead and open it up in our emulator, and as you guys can see, the app is right there, Nova Store. Check it out. We're going to go ahead and open it up, and once you open it up, it is look at that, it loads up the full site in the app, guys. So how cool is that? You get the full site, you're gonna have your full landing page as an app, guys. Pretty sweet in my opinion. And yeah, that is how you do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the features for OGAPK, guys. Pretty awesome. And as you can see, you have your installs here up at the top. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all very much for watching, and I hope to see you guys using OGAPK, and I'll see you all later. Peace out.